Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create hide and unhide taskbar shortcuts in Windows 10 or 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So if you're using a Windows 10, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And here you can see two kind of commands. So here you can see just written hide taskbar, so you need to copy this hide taskbar commands as well as unhide taskbar commands. So let us create a hide taskbar shortcut. Just copy this command file. Let me copy the hide taskbar commands firstly. Now minimize it, and now on your desktop screen just right mouse click, and now you'll see new and select this shortcut and just paste the command which you have copied right now, and now click on next. Now you can give any name. Say let me give it hide taskbar. Click on finish. So we have created a hide taskbar, and once again copy the unhide taskbar commands, and once again right mouse click on the blank area of the desktop screen. Select this new, select this shortcut. Now just paste the unhide taskbar commands. Click on next. Now let me give a name here, unhide taskbar. Click on finish. So now just double left click on the respective file. So let us try the hide taskbar command. Firstly just double left click. So now you can see the taskbar has been hidden. So if you bring the mouse cursor just below to it, it will just show up again. So that means it is auto hidden now. So we want to disable this auto hide features. So what you can do is just double left click on this unhide taskbar. So now you can see our auto hide taskbar is being unhide again. So finally we have created a hide and unhide taskbar shortcuts in Windows 10 or 11 running computers using these cool tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.